Algebra 2 geniuses. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today on this August 26th, Wednesday the 26th. Let's go ahead and get started with these announcements. First of all, hopefully we'll have a test next week, okay? It'll be close. We have some word problems. Usually I teach a chapter, then go back and look at the word problems from the chapter. Those will be pretty challenging, so we have to get that worked in and still cover some lessons. So the test, hopefully, but maybe not probable. We'll see how it goes. If we do not have a test next week, we'll have a quiz next week. Go ahead and turn in your homework. Some of you have already turned this in. Please make sure your name is on it, and be sure and put that in my box today sometime. Incomplete, I think. Everyone is caught up. I know that, sorry, excuse me. Henry was sick there for a while, and I believe he's back now. And I don't think, no, it's empty. Okay, good. So no incompletes. So good job on that, guys. Everyone's caught up. Today in class, we will be taking a quiz. Then we're going to take notes, and we're going to work on homework if time permits. If time does not permit, you'll finish your homework at home. The video today is about multivariable equations. Some of these problems can be pretty tough, so please take really good notes. The teaching video is Algebra 2, Lesson 1.5. We're going to go back to Lesson 1.4 when we cover word problems from Chapter 1. The homework that is due Friday is page 34, numbers 5 through 23 all. Page 34, numbers 5 through 23 all. The help video for your homework is Algebra 2, and that's incorrect. Algebra 2, Lesson 1.5 homework. Okay, so that is your help video for your homework. Now, usually I go over quizzes. However, this quiz is exactly like the problems that I've been going over, and like I told you would be on this quiz. There is really nothing to go over, to be honest with you students, okay? So, when this intro, listen carefully, when this intro video is over, I need one of you to go downstairs to the office. Please be mature. Don't fight and argue over it. Be quiet in the back of the classroom. I have emailed Mrs. Little the quizzes. One of you from each classroom needs to go down and get the appropriate number of quizzes for the number of students that are in your classroom. Some of you have 3, some of you have 4. You go down and get the right amount of quizzes and bring them upstairs. Once you are done with your quiz, give it to the supervising teacher in your room, and then start your teaching video and your homework. Now listen, common sense, unfortunately, is not very common. When you give the quiz to the teacher, please use common sense and don't disturb the class. If they're in the middle of teaching, just set it off to the side. I trust you guys. Give it to her after class, whatever, but make sure you give it to the teacher and tell her or him, whoever it is, to put it in my box. They need to put it in my box. As for Henry and Kobe, you do not need to go downstairs. I have emailed your quiz directly to your supervising teacher, so they have it, and they will give it to you when you ask for it. Have a great day, students. Contact me if you have any questions at all.